In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the advanced rhyming techniques that rappers use to increase the rhyming potential of many words. I like to refer to this technique as bending words or manipulating or distorting words. For example, let's look at the word mirror. There are, give or take, about 26 rhymes that you can use for mirror. Bewilder, bitter, bill her, builder, chiller, clearer, consider, dearer, familiar, figure, filter, filler, killer, kilter, liquor, miller, nearer, pillar, pilsner, pitcher, quicker, riller, silver, stiller, thriller, and trigger. But if we were to bend the word mirror just a bit and instead pronounce it as mirror, then that will increase our rhyming potential by about 14 additional rhymes, giving us a grand total of 38 rhymes to choose from, because we can still use a lot of our previous rhymes by adding sounds on the end of them. Here's the new words that we added: billia, chinchilla, charisma, gorilla, Godzilla, kill ya, kilta, Matilda, Manila, steal ya, vanilla, villa, willa, and will ya. But we're still not done. We can still bend the word mirror in a third way and unlock even more rhyming potential for this word by basically shaving off the second syllable of the word mirror and instead say mirror, like I'm looking in the mirror. And this will unlock, give or take, about 27 of the following rhymes: beer, beard, clear, cheer, dear, fear, gear, leer, peer, sheer, skier, smear, sneer, spear, sheer, steer, here, near, peer, queer, rear, sear, tear, veer, weir, weird, and year. So just by bending the word mirror in two different ways, we were able to go from having 26 rhymes to choose from to having 67 rhymes to choose from. So the next time that you're writing your lyrics, see if there's some words that you could bend or manipulate in some type of way to unlock so much more rhyming potential. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.